Good evening, friends. Today I'm reviewing military miniatures from Tamiya. It's a German motorcycle orderly set. It's a very nice kit in 1 is to 35th scale. And you can see we have two figures and a zoomed up motorcycle. Very nice kit, very well detailed. Motorcycle is also very well detailed. Inside of the box we have some markings, boards, signboards, and pattern over the caps, gun pouch, everything in different camo patterns, and have some great instruction about the camouflage on the box. You must have kit. It's actually very nice kit from Tamiya. It's an old kit, but still it's a nice kit. And we have the contents of the box over here. It's an instruction safety instruction sheet from and the second one is instruction, very straightforward, easy to follow. Motorcycle is actually very well detailed, very easy to follow the instruction, and have the signboard system over here. It's also very nice. Actually, I bought it for my diorama, and I'm not going to make the over to scene, but I have to make into my imaginary scene once. You can see the kit is actually very well detailed. Lots of ample of options to work with. Very great. And in 1 is to 35th scale, it's very great kit actually. The motorcycle is very well detailed. Very nice kit from Tamiya. So we can go for check this very nice decal ones, and as the sprue one, very nice, very crisp details, very sharp and very easy to follow. Very nice one, well detailed. And the figure set is also very well detailed. And the signboard attachment, very nice. Great motor kit from Tamiya once again. So must have we have the decal over here. Various options related to over 2. Very nice. And I have completed this as for my diorama. I actually making a water mill diorama. So this both models are modeled for the diorama ones. So everything is imaginary over here. I have painted into my imaginary scheme depicting a rider. I also added some cables to my motorcycle once. So turned out very well, very nice one. The figures are not much detailed, that because I'm not much intended to detail too much on the same thing. So it's very basically detailed, painted into my imaginary scheme once. Very nice kit. Very nice. So the final scene once. So must have kit from Tamiya is into 1 is to 35th scale. Very well detailed, either into a war scene or we can go with our imagination once. So thanks for watching once.